Okay, on this video I'm going to explain you how to do a rotation of about the origin of 90 degrees clockwise. So I'm going to create my original shape, then using the rules of rotation we are gonna do the rotation like the rule said. So for example, I'm going to draw my original shape. Let's do it on this quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. This is quadrant 3, so I'm gonna draw it here. I'm gonna put some points. This is my shape, my original shape. I'm gonna join the vertices using the segment tool. There we go. Well, this one is not straight, so I need to improve it. Okay, if it is not straight, it's maybe because the points are not in the, there we go, in the exact intersection of the lines. Now I'm going to tag it with the text tool as original shape. Now I'm gonna use the rules. Let me look for the rules here really quick. It is in section 13, the rules. In the presentation you have the rules. So I'm working on this kind of rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. It says that if my original shape is XY, I'm gonna copy in the first order pair after the rotation to get the rotation order pairs. In the first order pair, in the first component, I'm gonna write what is in Y exactly with the same symbol and everything. So let's do that first, okay? Let me do it. So first I need to have here the ordered pairs for each vertex. So the vertex F is in -2, -1. -2, -1. A is in -6, -1. A is in -6, -1. E is in well, let's go with B. B is in -7, -2. C is in -5, -4. D is in -4, -3. Let me move it here. D. Okay, this is B. This is A. This is F. Now D, -4, -3. Oh, it's here. Now E, -2, -3. -2, -3. Now this polygon has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. That means that it's an hexagon. It's irregular because all sides are different. And I decided to draw it in quadrant 1, 2, and 3. So this is quadrant 3. This is my original shape. Now I'm going to rotate it 90 degrees clockwise about the origin. Okay, this is the origin, 0, 0. So, but of course we have a tool or a rule that we can use and to do it easier. So it says, okay, in the first coordinate for your final shape, in the first component, you're gonna write the y that was in the original shape as y, with the same symbol, if it is negative, negative, if it is positive, positive. But now the y that was here is gonna be the first component from the final shape ordered pairs. So let's do it. I'm gonna write them here first, all the components, and then we draw it, okay? So let me move over here. Let's start with A in order. A, so it says that in my first component, I'm gonna copy the y just like it is. So -1. And in the second component, let me see the rule. Copy the x with the symbol change. The x with the symbol change. That's what this minus means. Copy the x with the symbol change. Okay. The x with the symbol change. So -6, I copy 6. That way we do it with all the ordered pairs. Let's leave it there and, well, we can, no, let's leave it there and we will plot these points in a minute. Let's do B. So if we apply the rule to the point B, then I just copy the first component in the first component. Hold on, let me try to move it. It's not letting me move it. Okay, I'm not gonna do C because it's the one that I can see now. It says copy first the y, well, it was in y here, -4 with the same symbol, and here copy the x with the symbol changed. So this is gonna be C. This will be C rotated. Let me put this so we don't get confused later. C rotated, okay? C prime. Let me write here the same. This is A rotated, okay? We put like a little comma, the prime. Now the B. B, it says -7, -2, okay. Let's do B. So -7, -2. So it says copy the y with the same symbol, exactly the same, and the x with the symbol changed. So look, it would be B rotated. Look, the y with the symbol, the same symbol and exactly the same, we copy it first, and then in the second component we copy the x, which was negative. Now we switch the symbol and it's positive now. Good, this is B. Now let's draw C. C is already there. Now let's do D. D -4 -3. D -4 -3. So -3, 4. So we apply the rule. First I copy the y with the same symbol and the x with the symbol change. Okay, that was what the rule told me to do. The y with the same symbol and the x with the symbol change. And this is the rotated. Now let's do the E. -2 -3. -2 -3. So it will be -3, 2. And this is E rotated. -3, 2. Perfect. And finally the F. -2 -1. -1, 2 will be the F rotated using the rules. Now let's put the points on these coordinates, okay? And that way I will draw the final rotated shape. -1, 6. Let me move a little bit here. Okay. minus 1 6 minus 2 7. Well, I will put that one in a minute. Minus 4 5 minus 3 4 minus 1 2 minus 3 4 minus 4 5 minus 2 7. Let me move it a little bit down. Minus 2 7. I need to move it more. Minus 2 7. And now we are gonna put all the tags. Minus 1 6 is this one. Minus 3 2. Minus 3 2 is not yet ready. Minus 4 5, this one. Minus 3 4, this one. Minus 1 2. Minus 2 7. And we are missing this one, minus 3 2. So let's draw it. Minus 3 2. Now move this one here. And now we join all the segments, okay? So it says from A to F, we need to draw a segment. So we check on these letters. That was so important. That was the reason why I put these letters by hand. So I didn't get confused this moment when you have to join the points. Let's join from A to F, from A to F. Then from A to B, from A to B. Then from F to E, from F to E. Then from E to D. Then from, let me move a little bit over here. Okay. Then from D to C, so I'm gonna draw from D to C, and then from C to B, from C to B. Okay, now let's see if they look similar. Yes. Now, how can I prove? Well, let me first tag my rotated shape. I will put rotated. So anybody who checks to my picture, they understand what I did. So let me move here really quick. So how can I confirm if it is correct? So I can draw a segment from F to the origin, because I am rotating about the origin, and from the origin to F, from the original. So from the original to the origin, and from the origin to the F rotated. And as you can see, we can see that it forms a 90 degrees clockwise angle. So we did it perfect. Okay, so I hope it is helpful for you. Something like this is what I expect from you in the rotation challenges. Rotation about the origin. Thank you for your attention.